Hi all, welcome to Magic e-learning.
Now we are going to see what is data science over here.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
So Pandas, it is nothing but generally known as the package which is used to frame the data set. Okay, whatever the data set we are taking from Excel sheet or JSON file anywhere. So like that only here we will be doing it. So everything has a small size of snippets only. Okay, so that particular snippets here we will be taking it into the form of data. So first let us go with, the first thing we are going to just create the data frame over here. So for that, provide import pandas. So from that, here I am providing the variable as dataset. So here I am giving two types of data. One is the name and another one is in numbers. Now these two things will be converted into the form of data frame. Okay, so here pandas dot data frame and print my variable, my var. So this will be another variable. So whenever I run it, it is connecting to that Google Colab server. Okay, so this is known as framing of data. So like this, if we give many number of datas and if we just print that particular variable of head, means it will be printing only the head of only first 5 data over here. Okay, so here I am just going for Volkswagen and Benz, then Suzuki. Means it will be printing in the form of table. Yeah, that is the main use of this particular pandas, to create a data frame, and at the same time we can also read the data from table sheet also, like Excel sheets and all. 336 we have. Okay, 6. So now I'm framing the data. Okay, so here, okay, so the first 5 will be printed over there. That is only the function of head. And similar to like head, we type it as tail, the last 5. Okay, so this is some sort of functions in pandas. Head and tail, it mostly comes with just to display, a formality of display over here, because we want to check whether the data is there or not. If you are taking any of the other data set, means sometimes some of the data sets will be having around 100 or 500 data sets. Like that, if you are taking, means it is more complicated. So that time we will be taking only this head and tail. Yeah, head and tail always will provide only 5 sets of data. Why does the data frame throw the exception when there is parameter mismatch? Yes, definitely, because this particular data should be equal to this data, else it will throw a parameter mismatch. We are going to plot the data in a series. So according to the particular data, it will be stored in a series way. So here import pandas, and taking that particular pandas, here we are taking the calories as data over here. Day 1 420, day 2 380, day 3 390. So now pd.series. So how that particular pd.series works means, this particular will be taken as one series, another series and another series. Now if I run like this, and just let us see what happens if you are providing the data frame. So now you can understand the difference between the syntax. Okay, so this is the syntax for series, not for data frame. So for data frame means we have to provide it in different column. Here there is no need of a different column, it will be printing in series. Okay, if we want to create a tabular column, means we have to use data frame. This data will be framing exactly in the order of Excel sheet, but here this is just to display the data towards the respective input according to the value. Mostly we'll be using this data frame only, and if you have Excel sheet, means like in CSV file, then no need of data frame also.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.